This area of my garden is giving very much wintertime vibes. We need to get this area ready for the springtime. So what we're going to do, we're going to just jazz this area up, and you guys, I cannot wait until you guys see the plants that's going over here, because baby is going to be giving those springtime vibes. We're going to really brighten up this color because we have the fence here, which is a weathered gray, has the green tones coming through. It is a cedar fence. So we have the cedar fence here. Then we have our wicker bench. We have a wicker table. And then in the fourth story, each one of my garden rooms, I like to have where there's a table, take tea, take coffee, Zoom calls, or if you just want to sit on this wicker sofa here and just relax, you can do both. So let me show you guys the containers, honey. Yes! We came in and we graced them with the wonderful daffodil. The narcissus, very easy for you to source and find. Then we used the ranunculus and a pink color, but in the middle we took it just a little bit different, and we did a cream ranunculus with the tops of it just have just a slight brushing of pink. Then we came in and we topped off our containers with a pansy, and it gives it just the right amount of color, and it's brightening this space up. Now we have to address this awful wicker sofa that's just bare. It doesn't have any type of cushions on it, so let's address that. Now let's go and grab some pots. I figured these two pots would be great to use in this area. So we have some aged terracotta pots, you guys. If you're looking for them, they're Campania. So we have the bigger size and then we have the smaller size. I think this scale right here is perfect for this table. It's not too heavy, it's not too big, and we use the other size over there. Let's check that out and see how that looks as far as scale. The scale on this side is perfect, but since we just cleaned off the table, let's head over and let's pot these up in another area. All right, let's get a little bit of soil in here. And of course, my coffee filter does not want to act right. here's our first container. We used some ranunculus, and then we came around the bottom with a blueberry thrill pansy. Absolutely gorgeous. It's not too much, it's just perfect to grace our table. So let's plant up the smaller container. This container, we use nothing but our blueberry thrill pansy. It's going to complement the container that graces the table. Now, I want to plant up these other containers because I had a few daffodils that were left over. We'll let this water drain off, and then we'll go ahead and we'll pop them on the table. Of course, we ran out of sunlight last night while I was out working in the garden. So the days are not as long as they'll become. So in the meantime, what I'll have to do is just kind of just pace myself. And a lot of projects just get carried over from day to day. But I have these pillows here. Beautiful. They fit in with our yellow bright theme here. And so right here on this one, I'm still cutting off the tags. Just some lemons. I love lemon. And then we came in. Let's just get all the pillows on it first. All right, now let's get these tags off right here. Let's get this how we want it to be. And then on this side, we'll do it just like that. So it looks very cozy and everything just looks proper. It's here on the side, kind of like for our arms. And then we have the Lemonade Fresh. Okay, so this is what this pillow looks like. Fresh squeezed lemonade. Refreshing, 100% natural. And then this pillow right here just looks like that. Absolutely amazing, you guys. And lemon is going to be very much on trend this year, you guys. So that's how everything looks. Now that this area over here looks just like spring, the way that I wanted it to be, let me show you what the containers look like over here in this area. So we just have the daffodils that were left over. We kept the obelisk that was on here in place, and then we just came around the bottom with the blueberry thrill pansy.